everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I want to show you what I'm doing today, probably today, tomorrow, and the next day. Oh my goodness, I have let my front yard bushes overgrown. I'm so embarrassed. But isn't the bougainvillea beautiful? But look at the size of this, so I'm going to trim them back. I mean, they're beautiful. Bougainvillea, I love it. These bushes in the back, I don't know what they're called. I call them the hairy bushes. And then I have these purple sage plants that are just absolutely gorgeous as well. Look at these pretty little purple flowers. I have several of those in the yard. My tree, I think that is an Arizona ash. I'm not certain, but it does lose all its leaves in fall. And that is what's happening to it right now. But look at the size of this bougainvillea. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to be out here for a while. Look at the size of all my bushes. It was so hot this summer that I just couldn't do it. So I am going to. There's more of that purple sage. It's beautiful. So I'm going to take some time in the next 3 days because we are supposed to be down in the 70s. Can you believe it? Like around 78 to 80. We just had a couple 105-degree days, and I'm so sick of the heat. But so I thought, perfect opportunity for me to get out in this yard that is so overgrown, and I'm just so embarrassed. So you can see I used to have the big mounds of dirt here in the driveway. Thank goodness that's all been carried to the backyard thanks to my family. These pallets here, I have decided I'm going to make a potting table out of those. So yeah, 2 pallets here, and I actually just bought myself a skill saw to use. But these over here, I forgot what these are called. It'll come back to me. All these bushes here, and this tree looks really good. So I'm going to be working out here, and I'm sure it's going to take me a long time to get this yard back into shape. So I'll get started, and I'll show you the progress as I go along. Okay, so I cut some of the bougainvillea, but I wanted to come over and get this side of the driveway. So I did trim the tree up from the bottom. It was just, I want it to grow tall and not so much out. And you can see all the clippings that came off that quite a bit, but I think it'll be okay. It's really grown a lot since we've moved in. So I've just taken my loppers and the hibiscus. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hibiscus here in the yard, and they're pink and yellow, and I did see some buds on, and red. I've got some red ones too, so hopefully I'll get some flowers. But I just took my loppers right here and just trimmed them up a little bit, trimmed up the tree. I think it looks so much better. And so now I just want to get everything cleaned up, and hopefully it's trash day. Get a lot of it in the garbage can before the garbage company comes. In Arizona, we don't have containers for, I guess you can order them, but here in Casa Grande, it's different. you don't have green waste containers or recyclable containers. Not in my town where Mayside did. So anyways, I'm going to get this cleaned up, and then I'm going to go back over on that side and work some more. And so here is my little Maggie. She loves to be out with me. Are you being camera shy, Maggie? Maggie, say hi. So I have just this little tent-like thing specifically made for dogs, and I'll bring her out when I work in the yard. So I'll take you over here, the driveway side. I have completed. I gotta get those pallets in the backyard, and everything's picked up, and I think it came out quite nice. So it looks nice and tidy. Once I get those pallets in the backyard, I want to get my blow up ghosts and pumpkin over here for Halloween. I still have not decorated my front porch or anything for Halloween yet outside, so let's go over here. This is what I've been working on today. It's a different day. So I've got those 2 bushes in the back trimmed up. That's the size that they were. They're huge. And then I've got my bougainville, trimmed up. Some, I don't want to cut all the flowers off. It's just too pretty. So I've got these 2 purple sage bushes trimmed up. So I need to work on these big, what I call my hairy bushes back here. And I still have a lot to do. My garbage can is almost full. I guess that means we have to eat out all week, because I won't have any room in my garbage can. So here's the side, as you can see. And these are all my bushes. And look at the size of this bougainvillea. It's absolutely gorgeous, but overgrown. So I'm going to try to finish up a little bit more. We did have a little bit of rain, which was nice, and it's really nice and cool today. So it is a perfect day for me to be working out here. These little cactus, I think they're like, I don't know, some in the aloe vera family. Usually I just trim the tips off of these. They do get a white flower on them, and I try to come back and trim the tips off so they're not so ugly. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna continue on, and when I get this done, I'll show you the final reveal. I'm sitting on my porch here, just having a little break. I have a really bad back problem, so as long as I do a little and then sit a little, I'm okay. I had back surgery, cervical area. I have 4 discs that are fused, and then my lower back, I have several herniated discs, so it hurts. But as long as I sit and rest, I'm okay. But I just wanted to come on and say hi, and don't mind the hairdo. It's been raining and windy, and I'm looking at myself going, oh my goodness, look at this hair. But anyways, I'm gonna get up and go work a little bit more out there. I'm hoping to get it done tomorrow, because you can only work a couple hours and then I have to stop. All right, but stay tuned, because I'll show you the final reveal. So Sailor was chewing up my hose, so I gave her an old hose, and she thinks it's her job. She's carries it out. Sometimes she takes it over to the trees like she's gonna water or something. Sailor, is that your hose? Is it your hose, Sailor? Hey, pretty girl. Pretty girl, hi. So I'm done for the day, and I'll show you why. Poor guy across the street's putting rock in his yard. Such a hard job. I'm glad we did that right away when we moved in. So, I have absolutely no room left in my garbage can. But I got most of it done. And I think it looks a heck of a lot better. Still windy. Really windy. So, bougainvillea is gorgeous color. So I got the bougainvillea all trimmed up. And the tips off these little plants. Those big, what I call hairy bushes in the back, I got all of them trimmed. There's 5 of those. Little purple bushes are trimmed up. Sorry about this wind. So I think it looks pretty good. The only thing I did not get done, I got most of this side down. I left that one bougainvillea because it's just beautiful and full bloom. These little bushes are all trimmed up. Isn't it pretty? That one in the front's done. This one's done. But I have 5 of these sage bushes here. And they're huge. So tomorrow, or probably next week, it's Friday right now, I'll probably try to finish these up. And then I'll bring up my, I call it a sucker upper. It has the blower on it, and then the bag that sucks up debris. See, it's easy to use when you have a lot of rock in your yard. It doesn't suck up the rock, but it, gets rid of stuff like that where all the leaves are under the bushes and stuff. I raked up as much as I could, but I'm tired now. So I'm going to end this video, and I want to thank you guys for joining me. I already showed you this side is completely done. Thank goodness. It's a lot. I think I have, I don't know, about 40 bushes in the yard or something. It's ridiculous. Let me sit down here. Oh, look at these little quail. I finally got them in. I had ordered these from Temu. They're little metal sculptures, and I think they're really cute. We do get quail here. So let me sit down for a minute. Hang on, I'll turn you around. There's my iced tea. Haha, I just brushed my hair, but with the wind. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, Kathy and I would really love for you to become part of our YouTube family. So, pretty soon, we're going to be decorating for Christmas, if you can believe it. Probably next month. And so I hope you'll join Kathy and I for our decorating videos for Christmas. And yeah, we have a lot of fun decorating. So anyways, I just wanted to say hi. I wanted to say I've lived in this house for 15 months now. And it was a spec home when I bought it. So all of these bushes and everything were bushes that they put in. They were all in when I moved in. And I've been thinking about redoing the front yard, redesigning it, but not right now. I just got so much going on. But eventually I would like to take out a lot of these bushes. And poor guy, he's so busy over there. So I may do that, but not yet. But yeah, when I sold my house in Mesa, it sold in one day. Put it on the market Saturday. Monday I had 3 offers, and I took the offer, and then I was freaking out because I hadn't, chose another house. I knew the area I wanted to move to, but it was scary, very scary. So like I say, this was a spec home. I like it, but the only thing I don't like is it's only a 2-car garage, and I had a 3. And I downsized from 3,200 square foot to, I don't know, 22 or 2,300 square foot. And the 3-car garage to a 2-car. So anyways, enough of me rambling on. I'll let you guys go, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye for now.